Hey everyone, Ritik here from Clientrix CRM Consulting and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to explore the developer space option in ZOHO Inventory. So let's get started. So right now we enter the dashboard of ZOHO Inventory. So in order to see the developer space option, you simply go to the top right side in the settings. Here you will see plenty of options. Simply just scroll down and here you will see developer space. So this is a kind of section which is mainly has to be used by your developers because there's some script and custom functions involved in it. So yeah, if you have a developer team who is taking care of your CRM stuff, so this is for them. So basically, like in the developer says, there are some incoming web. So basically, webhooks are to send any kind of message, deliver any kind of data through one platform to another. So for that we use webhooks. So through here, you can create some new webhooks for your ZOHO inventory according to your convenience. So yeah, this is one of the things. And the next thing is connections. So basically, what are connections? Connections are used to authenticate requests that are sent to third-party services that can be used in custom functions. So basically, for that purpose, we use connections. So if you are wanted to do any kind of third-party integration, so that's where the connections will come handy. So you can create connections through here. You simply have to click on new connection. You have to click your like services, like which platform you're using, which third-party application you're using currently right now, and you can just simply create a connection. And the next is API usage. So basically it just highlights like how many API you have used. So right now, as you can see, like you get total, I get total 7,500 API calls. I haven't used any, and this is how I remaining. So you can also like see like how many APIs have been left and like how much you have left. So so in order to avoid it, so if the APIs the number of APIs goes out, like it gets completely so all the APIs get used, so it can stop your custom functions from working. So please make sure to keep checking your API usage like on daily or weekly basis, so that like if you know that your APIs are running out, you can just simply purchase new one in order to avoid your custom function script to stop. So this is how we use it. And signals. And signal initiated when a third-party service performs certain task through a function or API request. So basically, all these things like signals connection, these are for your development team to take care of, like it using custom function or third-party integration stuff. So yeah, so all that information you can just look into under developer space. And the last thing is data backup. So in order to back up your data, you can just simply go here and click on like a download will be include only the documents uploaded between the previous and current backup data. So once you will click on backup your data, like for example, if I click here right now, so your backend data will be sent to this email, and backing up your data will not initiate another backup for next 15 days. So you can start backing up your data through today once you will click on this button. So yeah, that's how all the functionality of developer space works in ZOHO Inventory. Apart from that, if you're looking for any tailored guidance and need more professional help regarding it, please do not hesitate to book a free consultation call with our team. You will find the link into our description. And also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And that's it for today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.